Hi there, welcome back to the channel. Today we're testing the XTOOL AnyScan A30M. It's a pocket-sized Bluetooth diagnostic scanner that could save you thousands in garage bills. I know it will save us thousands in garage bills just with the cars we're buying off privates. Let's find out whether it really works and whether you should invest in one. We've all been there. Check engine light comes on. You panic, take it to the garage and they charge you £60 just to read the fault code before they do anything. With this, you plug it in, open the app and instantly see what's wrong. Simple, fast and no bills. Just to tell you there's nothing wrong with your car. The AnyScan A30M connects via Bluetooth to your smartphone or tablet. It works with both Android and Apple iOS, and it supports over 85 car brands, from BMW to Ford, Tesla to Toyota. It's small, but it's got a serious amount of diagnostic power. Here's what makes it different from cheap code readers. Full system diagnostics, reads engine, transmission, ABS, SRS and more. It has bi-directional control. You can activate things like fans, pumps, windows and the air conditioning compressor, so you know the actual component itself is working when it gets power. It's got 26 plus maintenance functions, reset oil lights, EPB, DPF, SAS, throttle and even headlight calibration. It's got auto chassis number or VIN number scan and live data graphs. It identifies your car instantly and shows your real-time performance. Lifetime of free updates, no subscriptions, no hidden costs. So let's try it. You plug it into the OBD port, open the app and it connects in seconds. John goes all over the country buying cars. He bought one not so long ago and got a few hundred yards up the road and a warning light came on, and it transpired that the codes had been cleared up the previous owner's drive and came on as soon as John started driving it. But we've been looking for a tool which you can plug in and just see if there's any faults. Now I've got one which I've been sent before. It's a machine about so big. John goes on the train everywhere, so it's too big and too cumbersome. I've already downloaded the app, but I will show you. So if I go to camera, you've got Google and the App Store. So if you go to the App Store one, Google Play, App Store, opening the App Store, and that's it. XTOOL AnyScan. Now what I would advise you, it doesn't take very long to download the app. You'll see updates there. Now this is it. This is the plug, look. Go back to the AnyScan because this is a new phone. So I'm going to go into settings, go into Bluetooth. There we go. So click on that. That's connected. You heard it beep. Go back to the AnyScan app here. And then you've got auto scan and diagnostic. So I'm going to turn on the ignition. Diagnostics. Chevrolet. Automatic detection. There you go. Chevrolet Spark. 2012. Click OK. Turn on the ignition. The engine must be turned off. One key. Models do not need to step on brakes. Press and hold for 5 to 10 seconds. One key start. Turn on ignition switch. Click OK. Automatic scan. It's on with the scan now. Electronic brake control module, diagnostic. Traction control system, pressure circuit not plausible. Anti-lock braking system, brake switch circuit not plausible. So you can save that report, Click Save, click OK, Exit, clear DTC, clear all DTCs, yes, clear, OK. Live data, now you can see all the information has now been cleared. All the trouble codes have gone. Going via the OBD2 plug, auto scan, clear trouble, live data, read freeze frame, read ECU information, component test on board, monitor test, O2S monitoring test mode, readiness mode, clear trouble codes, read trouble codes, live data. So if I click live data, malfunction indicator lamp, so that's off, fuel status, and here's what we can do. Right, time since engine start, that's important. Distance travelled while mill activated, no kilometres. Distance travelled since DTC's cleared, 14,131 kilometres. That's the important bit for us. It tells you when the codes were last cleared. Number of warm-ups since DTC's cleared, 255. Distance travelled since DTC's cleared, 14,131 kilometres. So we know that this person hasn't just cleared all the codes and I get up the road and it's going to light up like a Christmas tree. That's real control, not just reading codes. Honestly, I'm impressed. It's quick, accurate, and saves a trip to the dealer for minor issues. Perfect for DIY mechanics, mobile technicians, or anyone who likes to understand their car, not be frightened of it. For about 100 quid, it's cheaper than one garage diagnostic. I've put a link down below to the official XTOOL store so you can check the latest deals. It's Black Friday today. There may even be something special for you. If you buy through that link, it supports my channel, so thanks in advance for doing that. Don't forget to like, subscribe and ring the bell for more car gear reviews and honest insights from the motor trade. Drop me a comment if you buy one or try one, and perhaps even if you've ever caught a garage overcharging for diagnostics like I've done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.